All right, good day, everybody. Hope everyone had a great Monday, and hope everyone had a fantastic Mother's Day weekend. Spent some good quality time with the family. I know I sure did. Let's take a look at the overall market today. Let's first look at BABA. Okay, remember this vertical horizontal line represents where I was telling you that it was time. It was time to enter this market. I think this market is moving much higher over the long term. It's like the Chinese Amazon, right? So he had plenty of opportunity to enter here. When we came back down and retested these lows, we're up a good solid 25 points since I mentioned it. Remember ZUMZA, we are out with a break-even trade here. Remember, we entered when the market broke up through the high of this tight little inside vertical bar. Market ran up. I know I took some profits here, moved the remainder to break-even. Now we're just kind of moving higher. AYX, we entered here as the market broke up through the high of this inside vertical bar, right? Rallied up nicely, came all the way up to over 36 to almost $37, and we bought this at about what, 32.08, I believe. So that was a good trade. Came back down, pretty much out of this trade now. So let me get rid of these two. Let's see. Take a look at FARO. Again, actually, we're still long FARO. We are long as the market took out the high of this inside vertical bar. Okay, high of 51.30. We're up to 53 and change. Let's take a look at the indices. Okay, the E-minis. This is what the E-mini S&P looks like, which is really the S&P 500, right? So again, we broke through that ascending triangle, right? Confirmation was really this bar as we broke down through the trend line coming down. Right on the close of this bar, we're up. Now, if you take a look at the Russell 2000, look at this. Russell 2000 is close. Let's see. Russell 2000 is close to the all-time high, whereas the S&P, the S&P is nowhere near it. The Dow, really nowhere near it. And the NASDAQ, a little closer to it than the S&P and the Dow. So, got a little divergence there. Should be interesting going into the summer months here in the next few months, or in the next few weeks rather. All right, here we go. We've got I think a pretty good trade setup, right? When everyone else panics, that's when I like to typically buy. As long as we're at logical support and it makes complete sense, and I have a method around what I'm doing, of course, right? So, of course, this stock, we're in an uptrend, right? Bluebird Corp. Okay, overall, it's an uptrend, right? Market has gotten nailed in the last couple weeks. So, since April 17th, right where I've got my cursor, it made a high of $24.99. It's down quite a bit from there, but look at where we're dropping into. Okay, let me just put some horizontal lines here, right there. Let's see, right here. Yeah, we've got some. Okay, so look at this. This purple line represents the 200 exponential moving average, right? So we've dropped right into that. Take a look at the 2-bar RSI. Also below 10, trading about 1.33. This is a beautiful mean reversion type trade. So look to buy this market anywhere from where it closes today, right? On Tuesday the 15th, anywhere from wherever it closes down to the low of the day it can be bought. Okay, so it is 3:28 right now, so the market closes in 32 minutes. So really between these white horizontal lines, between where it closes, now it hasn't officially closed yet, but right now it's at 2080, and the low of the day is 2055. So this is where we're looking to buy tomorrow, okay? Again, complete mean reverting trade. I'd look for at least a full point on this, and I will keep you abreast to how we're going to manage this, okay? But again, dynamic stops on this type of entry is what we're using. Unless, of course, if we were to close below the purple line by at least 1%, close below 1%, then the following day I would exit on the open. All right, so this is the trade setup for Tuesday, May 15th. Hope this helps. Have a great evening. I'll be back with you tomorrow.